Hey, what's good everyone, it's Cinou here, and I know it's been a while, but welcome back. So today I'm going to be teaching you guys how you can do this really cool lip-syncing cartoonish effect. I think it's going to look so dope if you want to do a funny video, or like genuinely any YouTube video you want to do with it. So with that being said, I guess let's get started. Alright, to start things off, first thing you have to download Photoshop Touch, which is this app. If you guys don't have it, well, you can get it from the description below. And then all you have to do is to import the photo of the guy that you want to animate his mouth. In this case, I did import my very own personal photo. If you guys would like to see more photos, go ahead and follow me in my Instagram at CinouYT. Link is in description. Okay, we need to select our mouth, so we need another selection tool. To do that, you want to go ahead to the bottom right of the app, and as you can see, you're gonna go ahead and choose this selection tool, which called the Polygon selection tool, I guess. And if y'all want to be more precise, you can go ahead and show the pointer. To do that, press on this button and you can see it right here, show the pointer. And again, this is for being more precise. I do recommend it for better selection. Let's go and zoom to the mouse so we can see it better. So what I want you guys to do is to go and select the lower lip and then go down to the chin and just select around the chin and then go up, and this selection should be done. So now once our mouth is actually selected, what you want to do is you're going to go ahead and press on this button right here and press on this plus button, and you should see all of these options. Press on layer from selection, and what that did is it basically created a layer from our selection. Now go ahead and press on the original photo and hit on clear, which is this option right here. Okay, next up, go ahead and press on the exact same button, but this time go ahead and hit deselect, so the selection will be gone. And what we basically did, we just separated our mouth from our body. As simple as that. So now go ahead and disable the original photo and leave only your mouth, and go ahead and save it. But please keep in mind that you need to actually put it as PNG, so save the format to PNG, hit OK, and do the exact same thing for your body. So basically deselect the mouth and let me go ahead, deselect the mouth and just leave your body without your mouth, and go ahead and save it. And the exact same thing, make sure that it's actually PNG, not JPEG. Alright, now what you want to do is you're gonna go ahead and jump into KineMaster, which is a video editor on Android. And if you guys don't already own this app, I will leave it down in the description below. It's a free application that you can get from Google Play Store. So basically, all what you have to do is to import the two images that we just extracted using this media option, and just import them. Alright, so once you import the two images, make sure that you line them up. Shouldn't be too hard, it should be pretty easy. So basically go ahead and make sure that they look like the exact same image. Then go ahead and stretch the two layers and make them as long as your composition. Basically make them as long as your project, so we can have a lot of room to work with. So select the mouth layer right here, and then as you can see, there is this key button, so press on it. This is the animation button, the keyframe button. Press on it, and as you can see, you will have this interface right here. Okay, so at this point, what I want you to do is to go ahead and pinch in your project, so it will be more easier to animate. Okay, now it gets a little bit confusing for the people that never do animations, but I'm pretty sure it's gonna be so easy if you guys pay attention. So pretty much we are going to create something called a keyframe using this button every single half of a second. So half of a second is actually 500 milliseconds, which is what we see in the timeline right here. I mean, you don't have to be so precise to get it like exactly 500 milliseconds, but it's okay to mess up a little bit. Just make sure it's 0.5 second in that range. And to create the keyframe that we have talked about, all you have to do is to press on this button right here, which have this circle that have a plus button on it. So press on it, and as you can see, we have a keyframe right there. Skip to another 0.5 second and press on that button, and again, and just make sure that you stop when you want your character to stop his mouth from talking. Now that everything is actually set and done, all you have to do next is to go between two keyframes, choose any two keyframes, for example these two, and go to the middle of them, and what you have to do next is to go and drag your mouth down like this, and as you can see it automatically creates a brand new keyframe right there. So now let's go to the next pair of keyframes to the middle and just slide your mouth down and go to the next one and the next one and keep going till you finish all of those keyframes. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, now we are actually going to finish. So as you can see, this is the last keyframe, and now I'm pretty much done animating my mouth. If you play that back, as you can see, now you will see that your mouth is actually moving. Now this might not be the exact speed that you want, and here is a tip. Okay, now let's go ahead and pinch in so we can see our layers better, and let's go and press on the mouth layer that we were animating, and let's make it a lot shorter. As we make it shorter, the keyframes will press and compress to each other, and they will, well, as you can see right here, make the mouth move a lot faster. If you want to go ahead and make it more faster, you can compress the keyframes by making the layer a lot shorter, and as you can see, the mouth is, well, moving faster. Well, if that doesn't make sense to your brain, basically making the layer shorter will make the mouth moving faster. The shorter the layer, the faster the mouth goes. Okay guys, so this part is actually so experimental. So if you guys would like to make your character scream, for example, you know what, so I'm going to go ahead and do a quick tutorial right now. So let's go and zoom in so you can see better. To make your character move, let's go ahead and create two keyframes relatively closer to each other, just like this, and another keyframe but a little bit far from the last keyframe. So now let's go ahead and go to the middle one right here, and let's just make the mouth bigger. And as you can see, if you play this back, you will see that the character is actually screaming. Well, this is a really small scream, so let's go ahead and make this last keyframe a lot farther, and as you can see, I'm going to close my mouth right here. And if we play this back, as you can see, this is a long scream scene. Every time she'd be texting me, I'm looking like, hold up, yeah. Okay, this is so stupid. Okay dude, so I really enjoyed making this video, and I hope that you guys also enjoyed watching it. And look guys, I'm sorry, I'm aware that I'm not uploading that much recently, and the reason is because look, college sucks. We have exams all over the time, which, well, makes it hard for me to find time to create these YouTube videos. And y'all know me, when I upload, I want to upload the best edited and the best quality videos ever, so my videos take time to edit. So again, I'm sorry for not uploading that much, and I appreciate you guys for sticking with this channel and watching all of my videos. It means a lot for me. I really feel so happy and motivated when I see the support down in the comments and the likes and whatnot. So thank you guys so much for sticking with me and supporting me through those hard times. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Like this video, don't forget, and subscribe if you didn't join me already. Thank you guys so much for watching. Stick for the next video, and peace out.